I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is why I think the Medify Air MA-25, which I have right here, is the best air purifier to handle wildfire smoke. So I live in the San Francisco Bay Area, and we've dealt with historic wildfires here in California, and the air quality can drop to the point where sometimes it's actually the worst in the world, briefly, when you get that wildfire smoke drifting in. And inside, it's usually a bit better, but I've still seen the air in my house go up to around 150 ppm of PM 2.5 particles, which is really a low quality of air. And I use the MA-25 to improve the air quality in my house. And I've actually measured it and seen that this can drop the PM 2.5 all the way down from the 150 to about 30, which is considered a safe or good air quality. So this really works. Really works against smoke in particular. And I think the reason for that, there's a couple of things. One is that the MA-25 actually uses an H13 HEPA filter. So you can see here, this is showing it's a genuine filter. And the H13 is a higher standard even than the traditional HEPA filter, which is already going to remove more than 99% of particles from the air. And this one's even higher. I think it's up around 99.9%. So that filter really gets everything out of the air, and that's why I think it does a really great job with that. You also get two filters in the MA-25, so you got one on either side of the device, so you've got a little bit more filter capacity there than some other air purifiers, and I think that helps it to do a great job against wildfire smoke. And the final thing is that it has quite a powerful fan, so I've got it running right now, and it's just on the first speed setting here. I can bump this up to the full speed, and you can hear here how much power we've got. So it's really blowing, quite a substantial amount of air through here, and I think that's probably really important because it's able to change the air in your room up to every 30 minutes. It'll filter all of the air in a room of about 250 square feet. And again, that allows it to really, in a couple of hours, work all the air in your room through the device several times and really get all of those particles out of it. And that's very important, I've found, for dealing with wildfire smoke. So if you're in California or Oregon or another state that deals with wildfire smoke, or you just deal with poor air quality in general in your house, I think the MA-25 is the best air purifier out there for a medium-sized room to deal with those small particles and improve the air quality in the face of that wildfire smoke.